Hey guys, Stock Sniper Mike, and I'm back again with the 2-minute drill, here to give you guys 2 minutes of one crazy week of trading. Now when I started these videos a couple months back, we started it off with a green streak. That was a consistent Monday to Monday, week by week, profitable week. And I thought we were doing good on our 32nd straight green week in the books. But when I went back to really review everything, we are now our 40th straight green week. Yes, we have gone 40 straight green weeks in a row, making all 2020 green. Every single week, we did not lose any week in 2020. Some were big wins, some were small wins, but overall, none were losses, and that's what it's about. Even through this pandemic and everything we've been through, we were able to consistently profit. This week was a slower week, and one that we are still able to profit, but one that proves defense is just as important as offense in this game. We were able to go 2 for 3 with a 66% win ratio, winning only about $120 because our one loss was slightly bigger than we liked. But on a slow week like it was, we are proud to get out of it green and sticking with our defense, using only 3 trades this week. To highlight things in the larger markets, the overall markets are starting to get a little rocky, and people are getting a little weary as Corona talks continue to linger, and the cure seems to be something that's going to happen next year. The Nasdaq finally started to cool off after the huge run that it recently had, and the Dow Jones is officially red on the week, only down 157 points, but a roller coaster of a week, jumping up, then coming all the way back down, starting the week at 27,718 and closing at 27,657. But that's boring talk, and that's why we recommend coming to Sniperville. But we are now 40 straight green weeks deep, going all the way back to December of 2019. Still blows my mind away. But to dive into this week, it started on Monday with an OTC penny stock that we thought was going to break out of 52-week highs. This was OTC penny stock UAPC. We bought the stock at the end of the day on Monday as it came up, coming closer to that 2-cent 52-week break spot at 169, looking for a gap up the next morning. And on Tuesday, unfortunately, it didn't happen, and it got a bit bigger dip than we wanted. So we had to abort mission, always sticking to the #1 rule of cutting losses. Getting out at 146, unfortunately losing 14% and $550 to start the new week. But you can't give up. It's all about sticking to the #1 rule of cutting losses and continuing to strike at the sniper pattern. And that's what we did, because later on Tuesday afternoon, we found another 52-week breakout. An OTC stock, DOCRF. This stock we like because it broke 52-week highs. We bought it at the end of the day at 160, looking for a gap up the next morning. And on Wednesday, we woke up to exactly what we wanted. We got the gap up and sold instantly, not giving it another chance to drop on us at 170, chipping away at some of our losses from Monday and making $267 back. Stock ended up continuing to go, but it's all about taking the meat of the move in this game. And on Wednesday, we were able to catch another bag, and this is another sniper pattern. This is a panic dip buy, and this play happened in 4 minutes. We were able to make $400 in only 4 minutes. That's $100 a minute. This came from OTC penny stock SBFM after it had a huge run up the day before and came all the way back down to the 2.8 area in the morning, where we were able to get a 2.75 buy, and it got a bounce nicely above 3 cents, and we took the bag in only 4 minutes at 309, making $400 and just about 12% on our money to eliminate that big loss on Monday by sticking to the plan and totaling up a total of $119 profit on the week. I know it doesn't sound like a lot of money, but sometimes when your account isn't going anywhere, it's better than going down, because this was a very slow week in OTC land. And we're glad to still come out on top, mainly playing defense this week over offense. That's what most people need to realize. Defense is just as important as offense in this game.